When I first saw the video, it looked scary, but the phone is fine. I work for FedEx Freight, different division from this driver. FedEx motto is treat the package as if it's going to your house. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Pixel 4a 5G, and at the end of the video I will be putting on this case that I got. And everything you see in the video today, I will leave a link in the description, and I would appreciate it if you would use my link in the description box if you are planning to get any of those items. And this is one of the things that came in the box with the phone. It's basically telling you that depending on what carrier you have, you might be able to use this phone without a SIM card. Let's get into the box. I actually got this phone, I pre-ordered it and I got it yesterday, which was the 20th of November, and I was pretty excited to get it, but I'm actually doing this unboxing the following day, and the phone feels really good on the hand. First of all, it feels kind of grippy on the back, it's not gonna slide off your hand, and I like the fingerprint sensor on the back because my previous phone also have it. I had a OnePlus 5T and I decided to upgrade to the Pixel 4a 5G. This is actually my first Pixel phone, my first Google phone. Let's see what else comes in the box. You have a SIM card right here to pop in your SIM card if you want to use it. You got some document paper, some more document paper showing you how you can transfer data from your old phone to your new phone if you want to do it using the cable provided. You got a cable with micro USB-C on both ends, and you also get an adapter USB-C to you get a regular USB, and you also get a power brick. And here's the information on the power brick. And that's everything that's come in the box. Now let's take this cover off. I actually didn't get a tempered glass protector for this phone yet, but I got this case that also comes with a screen protector. It's like a little plastic, but I'm gonna get a tempered glass in the future. Let's see how the case fit on here. As you can see, it's really grippy even on this inside of the case. And look how nice this case fit. If you're interested in getting this case, I will leave a link in the description, and I would really appreciate it if you would use it if you're interested in getting this case. And you got your power button. Let's turn it on. You got your volume marker. You got speaker at the bottom. I'm not sure if both of those are speaker. You got your USB Type-C port, your SIM card tray. Let's try to pop it out. So it's just SIM card tray. It would be nice if they have expandable storage in there, like a micro SD card. You got your front facing camera, your A-set, and of course the 3.5mm headphone jack, which I'm gonna enjoy using. It looks like a microphone on the top, and of course the amazing camera they got on the back. And that's basically everything about the phone. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Again, I would really appreciate it if you use the link in the description to purchase any of those items that I show, if you are planning on buying them already. Have a good one.